Building a website for your awning supplier business doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the Marty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Awning Supplier. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty start a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the various awnings you have supplied to customers. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to the content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. Let's get cracking. Let me show you the ropes. Now, the beauty, let's go ahead and put in our email address over here so it's visible for our customers to see. Let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, maybe you are a mobile business, so you can leave off that address if you want to. But if you have a physical location, go ahead and pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath the update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil over it. Otherwise, you can resize the logo, make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section at the top on the right. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many options to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, click on Update Section directly underneath the section. Click on Update Images. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high-quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those images. Underneath Update Action, we have those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they're linked to. You can link to another website if you take online bookings, or even upload a PDF file with your more information of the different awnings you are supplying. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, domains are super easy as well. To connect it, click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to connect your Instagram, your custom domain, or purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your business, and I'm really wishing in your business Marty success.